we're also doing the traditional division method. This is the one that your parents will use and probably 5th or 6th grade teachers might use more often than the box division. So what we're going to do is first we're going to look at our divisor. We're going to list our multiples at the bottom so we can see how many groups of 3 go into certain numbers. We're going to start with 4. We're going to divide 4 divided by 3. So there's one group of 3 that goes into 4. 2 groups would be too many because 6 is more than 4. So we're going to put our 1 here. So now we've divided. Now we're going to multiply 1 times 3. 1 times 3 gives me 3. So I'm putting 3 here. Next I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 3 gives me 1. The next step is a little bit tricky. We got to remember to bring this number down. So we're going to bring our 9 down, and our new number is 19 that we're going to be looking at. So now I'm going to think because I'm going to repeat, so I brought down that 9, so now I need to repeat. So I'm going to go all the way back to divide again. So now I'm going to see 19 divided by 3. So how many groups of 3 can go into 19? So if we look, we have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups would put us at 18, 7 groups would put us at 21. So 7 is too much because 21 is greater than 19. So if we look at 18, that would give us 6 groups because 3 times 6 is 18. We're going to put our 6 up here. Now we're going to multiply 6 times 3 is 18. So now we've divided, we've multiplied, and now we're going to subtract, and that will give us 1. So the next step is bring down, but there's no other number to bring down. So it says repeat or remainder. We cannot repeat, so now we're going to bring our remainder. 1 becomes our remainder, so it goes all the way to the top. And now we have a remainder of 1. Okay. And to check this, we're going to multiply our quotient, 16, times our divisor, 3. We're going to see if it equals 49. 3 times 6 is 18, carry my 1, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 48. So 48 and 49 are not the same, but I need to add my remainder, it's the last step, plus 1 gives me 49. So because this number is the same as my original dividend, it is correct. So 16 remainder 1 is the correct answer.